Good morning, guys. It is Friday, woohoo, TGIF, Friday, March 2nd at 10:36, and baby went down for a nap a little bit later today because she slept in till like 8 o'clock, which was really nice because she was up 3 times last night. She was up at 11, and then she was up at 3, and then 5:30. So I did nurse her all those times because she is teething. Like the top 2 teeth are starting to come through the gum, so she just wants more of a comfort feed. So I get up with her obviously and feed her. So it was really nice to just get that extra sleep and her not be up at 6:30. So that was really nice. And sometimes I find that if I hear her at 5:30, sometimes if I leave her, she'll fall back asleep, but then she's up by 6:30, where if I go in and nurse her, then she'll sleep till like almost 8 o'clock, which is really nice for me. So it depends on how well rested I feel. But anyways, so today is a beautiful day outside. I'm gonna go to my girlfriend's house. She has a little boy named Major, and he's 2 months older than Blake, I think, and we joke that they're like boyfriend and girlfriend, and she's one of my best friends. I just love her. So we're gonna just have a little mommy date today. And I feel so much better because I washed my hair and I straightened it, and I did put a bit of purple shampoo, so it has like more of the baby ashy, not ashy, but like white baby blonde, and I actually kind of really like it. I don't know, but look at my roots. They might not look that bad that way, but hold on. Oh my god, they're so bad. They don't look that bad because I just washed my hair, but my roots, it's only been it's been 6 weeks and my roots are like this. Like, it's ridiculous. So that Nioxin shampoo really does work. Also, if I look really tanned, it's because I tanned the crap out of my face by accident. I did put on my fake tan, so I am a bit darker, but I put way too much on my face. And when I first put it on, I was like, oh god, like, oh no, what did I do? So I just like really rubbed it in, and then so I put on my normal foundation, and to balance it out, I put on my really light Too Faced Born This Way concealer and just put it like everywhere just to like lighten it up a bit, but I look super tan. But I feel 10 times more confident when I'm tanned than when I'm not tanned. I don't know what it is, but when I'm tan, I just feel like it's more attractive. It's weird. I don't know. So one thing I wanted to share with you guys, and I wanted to ask your opinion actually. So as you may or may not know, I'm a very creative person. Like, obviously I do makeup on the side. I love makeup. I love making women look beautiful, and I just have like a natural knack for it, and I absolutely love it. And I am getting more inquiries. I think I've had 4 this week, but I haven't had any bookings. I mean, I've had bookings in the past, but the inquiries that I recently got have not turned into bookings. So I thought, you know, I have to, my maternity leave runs out, I think it's like April 23rd or April 24th, and I have no job to go back to. I've been looking, but I really want to stay home with Blake, and I want to use my creative outlet. Like, I hate office jobs and reception, and like, it's boring, and I hate that, and I just want, you know, to do something creative. And that's why I started up a YouTube channel, and that's why I you know, do makeup. But I wanted to think of something else that I could do to stay home, and a couple of you have been awesome and have recommended some stuff to me, which I truly appreciate. That's like amazing, because sometimes there might be something that like I didn't think of that you guys think of. But I was thinking, and I honestly want your honest opinion, so please write it down below if you think this is a good idea, or if like you guys would be willing to like help me out and like purchase some things. Not that I'm like, oh, buy stuff from me. It's not like that. Anyways, I'll explain. So I've always kind of wanted to not make my own like baby clothes, but like do my own like personalized stuff for Blake. And sometimes I find pricing on that is really expensive, like on Etsy and stuff like that. So I thought about, my 30th birthday is coming up. Oh God. But I thought about maybe for that asking for, what's the machine called? It's like a decal machine, like it cuts decals and patterns for you. Hold on, I'll look it up. It is a Silhouette Cameo. They are $320 on Amazon. So it's kind of pricey, but I thought, hey, my birthday's coming up, I'll get some money and I can like buy one. And so basically what it is, it's a machine that like comes with computer software, and you can create your own, like if you want to do a decal or like, oh my God, she's up already. That was not long. Your own decal, or your own, like if I wanted to do like a little Minnie Mouse t-shirt for Blake, or like if I wanted to put like Blake Audrey, or I don't know, something. It basically allows you to make your own stuff, and it cuts it out for you, and then you just like press it onto a t-shirt, like with you use like a heated vinyl, and then you put it onto a t-shirt, and Bob's your uncle, you've got like a customized shirt. And I think they're really cool and they're really cute, and I love anything like crafty. Like I would have so much fun doing that. And I thought to myself, like, well, not only could I do it for Blake, but I could open like a little Etsy shop and then do like customizable like little girls things. I have so many ideas in my head of like cute little sayings and like things I could put on them and stuff like that. So let me know what you guys think, if you think that that's something like I should do. Obviously, I'm not gonna make like a full-time salary doing that, but any extra little money coming in is awesome. So let me know if you guys whatever, like, do you guys like purchase stuff like that for your kids or for yourselves, or for like, you know, I even thought for like weddings or mamas to be, or like newborn babies, and like, you know, for the baby's first birthday, and like even Christmas, and like just do little customizable things. And I wouldn't like charge very much because I am on a budget, and I wouldn't want other women paying a lot. Like I think like maybe $12, $15 for a shirt or something like that. I don't know. I have no idea how much this stuff costs, but I'm just like thinking in my mind, I'm like, hey, that'd be kind of cool and it'd be kind of fun. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. If you purchase stuff like that on Etsy, if you think it's a waste of time, or like, let me know. And I could also like, obviously, even like I could do like customizable like little bibs or like baby blankets, and I don't know, I just think it would be fun and really like a way for me to be crafty and like have a little bit of extra income. And you know what, worst case, if I don't start it up as a business and no one buys anything, then at least I can make Blake adorable stuff. So whatever. So let me know what you guys think. I really value and trust your opinion. So yeah, let me know. She only slept, see, here's the issue with her sleeping in. It's 10:43. She fell asleep at like 10 o'clock. So she only napped for like 45 minutes. So even if she goes to bed later, she never will sleep 2 hours. She'll only, it's almost like her nap times are already set. So even if she sleeps in, her body's used to waking up at this time, even if she's only slept like half an hour. So that's the only downfall. But anyways, I have to go get the baby and I'll be off to see my girlfriends. Let's go get the princess. She is awake. And I'll show you guys, I have to review a toy that she just got. She freaking loves it. So if you have like a 7-8 month old baby, even 6 months or to a year, they will love it because it's awesome, and it like tired her out and she loved it. So let's go see her. Hi, baby. Let's open your blind. It smells like poop in here. Hi, monkey. Hi, sweet girl. You say hello. Hi. Hi, baby. There's a baby. She can see herself. Hi. So I thought before we leave, I would do Blake's outfit of the day. She has on a little bow from Carter's. Look at the hair that is coming in on this baby. And it's all blonde, very blonde. She's got, this is from Amazon. It was just a little set. It's like a really soft jersey, lightweight material, and it's got like the patterned hood and pocket and the little pants. And she has, because it's like 1 degree outside right now, she has a long sleeve pink onesie underneath, don't you? Is that the baby? Yeah, she's like, I see myself. And I'm wearing, this is just a white top that you guys probably saw. I got it like I think before Christmas from the Bay. And it's by Dex. And this long white sweater with pockets is from Forever 21. And my jeans are Canopy leggings, jeggings from Fashion Nova. And these are the original ones. They changed not the formula, but they changed the material on their new Canopy jeans, and I'm not happy about it because the original ones are so much more comfortable and amazing, and the new ones suck. So just putting it out there. So I will see you guys when we get back from our play date. So I'm back now. It's 10 to 2 and I just put the baby down for a nap, and I'm really tired now too. I don't know why, but anytime after like a social outing I get really tired, so I think I'm just hungry too. I did have 2 little very small slices of pizza at her house, but I didn't want to eat too much, so I'm gonna make something for myself now. So this is what we had last night. I've got these Casa Mendoza triple baked tortillas, and they're ancient grain, so I'm gonna have one of those. It's like 200 calories for one, but it's got 7 protein, so that's really good. And then I did ground beef, and I've got a little bit of cheddar cheese, and I've got onion and tomato cut up, and I'm gonna have sour cream, and just to mix all that together and have a little taco burrito thing. And then I think for supper tonight, it's Friday night, I think we're just gonna have bacon and eggs. Sometimes I love to have bacon and eggs for supper, and it's just easy and I don't feel like cooking. So I think that's just what we're gonna do. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat lunch, and then I have to edit some videos and look into another job thing. I don't know if I'm gonna do that whole Etsy shop thing. I don't know. You guys can let me know, but sometimes I just get excited about things and think, oh yes, I'm gonna do it. And then if I have time to think about it, I'm like, ooh, I don't know. Like, it would be really fun. I just don't think it would make hardly anything probably, but I don't know. Oh, she's fussing now. My little munchkin. She always does this sometimes, like for like 5 minutes, and then she'll settle. But anyways, yeah, I have to look at some business ventures, and I'll update you guys if something comes of it, but we'll see. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's in the living room.
You Alex a new number in there?
I think so. Oh, I don't know. We're having macaroni and cheese for dinner, a la Chef Colin.
And the beef.
And leftover beef, because I didn't feel like cooking.
Like always.
That is a lie, and you know it. And Dookie's being a good boy, sitting over there. And baby's got her spatula. Oh, the gloriousness. You don't put ketchup with yours, do you? I put ketchup with mine.
You're weird.
I'm not weird. I like ketchup with mine. I can't put it in there?
No.
Why?
Because then that's on mine.
I'll do mine separately. My glorious ketchup mac and cheese, and Colin's boring no ketchup mac and cheese. Oh, and hot sauce. I always had hot sauce.
That's my hot sauce.
I know you cannot have it. Well, might be able to have a noodle. Baby want a noodle? I don't know. It's got cheese, so maybe not. The husband's tired, so we're gonna end the vlog here, and I'll see you tomorrow. Say bye. Bye. Say bye. Bye.